It's Sunday afternoon and I'm currently in my office. I was going to film a Sunday reset video today, but I think I'm just gonna make it a Monday reset video tomorrow because I wasn't really feeling like it. This puzzle has been sitting in here for 6 months. I have two missing puzzle pieces. I emailed the company. They never got back to me about it. And it's finally time to pack it away. So I'm just breaking it up into, you know, decent sized little squares so that if they ever do get back to me, I can just put it back together. But it has to go away. It can't sit on my floor forever. And I just want to do a little bit of organizing and stuff here this afternoon. But this is the update and the last one, I guess, on the puzzle that I started 6 months ago. It's Monday morning. I said yesterday that I really wanted to do a Sunday reset routine kind of thing, but it's now Monday, so we're just gonna do a Monday reset. I haven't had much of a routine since before I went to Greece because I came back and then I was here for a few days and then I went away and then I was back for a little bit, and I've got Daniel staying with me. He's actually in the other room, and then I'm going away again in a couple of days, so I just haven't really had a chance to get into a good routine since being away, and I'm just trying to put one foot in front of the other at the moment and just get a few things done and sorted and organized. And one of the first things I want to do today is fold all of my clean washing. My office has become a little bit of a laundry room slash wardrobe in the last couple of weeks, and I really need to get on top of it. So we're gonna go and fold some clean washing, put it all away, do some cleaning. I need to get some groceries. I really should do some planning and some organizing, and I'm just gonna do all of that today. This is my pile of clothing. A lot of it is the stuff that I took to Greece, but I just keep washing my clothes and not really putting them away. And I also have a whole bunch of washing on the rack, which is out in the back of the couch. So I'm gonna fold all this and then take the stuff off the rack. This is the issue with my wardrobe. I mentioned in my other video last week or something about the fact that I haven't done a wardrobe switchover at the moment. So that bottom drawer down here is still full of all my winter pajamas. When I brought a bunch of stuff back from Australia, I just don't have enough coat hangers anymore. I only bought a couple packs when I moved in, and I don't have enough. And so my wardrobe has become a bit of a disaster because I've just been procrastinating on changing it over and organizing it and figuring it out. So tomorrow I'm gonna go and finally get new coat hangers after months of just avoiding it, and I'm going to finally get my wardrobe sorted so that I can do my seasonal swap, and then that way all my summer clothes are neat and organized. But for the next minute, I am going to pull all the bedding off my bed. I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna go back in and do a little bit of tidying in my office. Back into my office, there's a couple of things I want to do. This is the board from the live stream the other week. I've taken pictures of it. It's actually available on the community tab of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to clean this off and maybe use it again for another whiteboard. I bought new little stickers the other day. What do you call them? Not stickers, post-it notes. Hang on, let's pull this chair out. I'll show you what I was talking about. These ones, I got them from Umomo, which is a Japanese store up north in Toronto, and it came with these 3 colors, and I really liked them, and I was just putting little motivational quotes on the wall as I see fit, and I thought that would be a really cool thing to do. But I need to clean this up. Maybe we'll use this whiteboard for another live stream. I am actually going live this afternoon, so maybe just maybe we'll need it. But yeah, these are my cute little motivational quote bubble things that I got from Umomo. One of the other things that I picked up at Umomo the other day is this little file folder thing. I needed something just to put a few documents in. It has 8 compartments, but 7? Is it 7 little tabs, I think? And it comes with, somewhere in there, colored little tabs so you can write what each section is for and stick them in. And I thought that that would be really cool because I need something for just documents and things that I receive in the mail or contracts and things that I print out, whatever it is. And I really wanted a white one, but they only had really bright colors and I decided to go with hot pink because it's going to be hidden away in the cupboard anyway. And then these are just my planners and they're available on my website and I will have that linked down below. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I am super motivated at the moment and I love it. I spent the first few months of this year being very, very demotivated. I didn't know what I wanted to do or the direction I wanted this year to go, but I also don't think I really knew where this year was going to go. We weren't sure if we were still going to be in lockdowns or whether we'd be out back in the world. So it was really hard to plan for 2022 and try and have an idea of where this year was going. Now that it's mid-year though, and things are kind of back to normal, at least for my personal experience, things are very, very normal and it's fantastic. It's making me happy. I feel like I have a new lease on life and I'm very motivated because of it. And as I said, it is mid-year. It is a perfect time to check back in with like the goals that you maybe set this year. I actually didn't really set any, so I'm gonna treat now as if it were, you know, January 1st. And it is time to set some goals for the remainder of the year now that I do have the ability to actually work on them. So I'm just feeling really motivated, really pumped up. I've got lots of energy lately and I'm gonna feed into it and try and get lots of things done that have just been sitting around on my to-do list, like that puzzle. It's been sitting there for 6 months, which is insane. So I don't know if anyone else feels the way that I do, but I'm gonna embrace and take on this newfound motivation and figure out what's next. What are you doing?
Making some pancakes.
Making pancakes, I'm so excited. There's protein powder in there, right?
Yeah.
That's why it's like brown?
Yeah.
Amazing, I'm hungry. That washing machine is gonna be close to being done because it is spinning like crazy. Do you wanna make the pancakes and I'll do the cleaning?
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Good deal, all right, I'm gonna clean, pack the dishwasher and get all this sort of stuff done. Washing machine is done. I am going to throw it in the dryer. I don't usually like putting stuff in the dryer, but oh, I actually have a pair of jeans. I didn't put the jeans in the dryer, they've just been sitting in there.
Do some bacon and pancakes or not?
Yes, please, I'll take some bacon. Thank you. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm gonna put some, what do you call this? Sheets in the dryer. And then I'm also gonna wash the cover as well, because I feel like I might wanna change the cover to my white one, but yeah, we'll pop these in. Okay, we're gonna fancy flip it. Yay!
First go.
Okay, that was really cool. Got pancakes, bacon. My pancake is already done. I'm pretty excited about it. Breakfast is served. Daniel also has a bagel with some avocado, and now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I want a bagel with avocado, but I won't be able to eat that much because I have 2 pancakes. How come I got 2 pancakes? Is that because you have a bagel as well?
Yep, I got one. You got
Well,
two.
whatever I don't eat, you can finish, so let's eat. We're kind of in frame, but not really, just a little bit.
Can smell it over there.
Anyways, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you will have met Daniel, I don't know, last year in a couple of videos. You're also Australian, but you live here in Canada.
Yep.
And now you live in Calgary.
And now I live in Calgary. So when the pandemic kind of I guess halfway through, I was trying to get back to Australia and I just couldn't get back. So one of my friends invited me to move out to Alberta for a few months. I moved out there, I really liked it. I really liked the hiking. So then I ended up staying there and now we're just winging it, I guess.
Seeing where life takes us. That's all you can really do. That was amazing. I'm gonna pack the dishwasher and turn it on because it's basically full. I'm just sitting down and I thought I would start working on some of these tabs. I've got one for utilities and I'm gonna write one for immigration. Obviously living in a different country with visas and stuff, there's a lot of paperwork and documents and I have so much stuff and I just need somewhere to put it. I've got a couple of tabs going already. I've got utilities, immigration, healthcare, and finance, because off the top of my head, I'm pretty sure I have paperwork in all of those areas. I still have the other 3 tabs, and of course, I'm color coding them in a slightly rainbow color. I did the orange one first, and then I was like, oh, probably should have done the pink first, but it's fine. We're gonna go orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and then the last 2 are white. So I'm making a little bit of progress, and I'm feeling more organized already. Many hours later, I've had a call, and I've also live streamed, and it is the late evening. I think it's after 6 p.m. now, and I need to make my bed. Daniel's just in the shower and he's gonna head to the airport soon, but I am gonna make my bed so that I can go and have a good sleep tonight. I decided to hang the cover out and it's not dry yet. I guess I could put it in the dryer for a little bit, but I'm not sure if I want to change it and put a different one on. So I don't know. At least I have enough of a bed to be able to sleep tonight and I could probably make the decision tomorrow, but I'm exhausted. So I don't know. My brain's not working. Daniel is in the shower. I do need to do a little bit of cleaning up from lunch, but I might leave that till a little bit later. I live streamed. I also had a call this afternoon. I cried on my live stream. Not my finest moment, but if you were there, thank you for being there with me. It was a nice conversation. The live stream is live on my channel if you want to go and watch it, but yeah, it's like an hour in when I get all teary and emotional. So anyway, it's kind of cloudy out there tonight. It's not gonna rain. Last night it poured down. I went out for a walk. I came home drenched. I actually had to ask Daniel to meet me downstairs with a towel because it was like I'd had a shower. I was soaked, which reminded me my shoes might not actually be dry. I forgot about that. I was gonna wash them in the washing machine because I was like, they're already wet. I might as well wash them, but I forgot. So it's fine. I've got some other shoes that I can wear, but I wanna go for a walk. I've barely been outside today. I've been on my camera, on my computer all day, and I just think it might be nice to go for a bit of a walk because Daniel's about to leave for the airport. So once he goes, which I think is at 7:30, I will go for a long walk, a couple of kilometers, and I think I might take myself to get some sushi. I just feel like salmon sashimi right now, and that just might be a nice way to end my Monday. And then I was gonna get groceries, but I realized I don't need to because I'm leaving not tomorrow, but the next day anyway, so there's no point in getting groceries. I will just live off what I have, or in the case of tonight, eat some sushi. So I'm gonna put some gym clothes on, like grab a hoodie because it's a little cooler out there, and yeah, go for a nice walk.
Bye for now.
Bye! See you later! I just got home from my little walk. The sushi place I wanted to go to is actually closed on Mondays because I would have sat in store. But when I went to Umomo the other day, I picked up some of these really cute pink chopsticks. And this is a little sushi plate that I got from, I don't remember. It was a home decor store near Montreal. But this is my little sushi. I'm gonna eat this and I am gonna go to bed because I am exhausted.